Yeah, Cyrus, you see me?
But no, man, what's going on with you?
Well, I just want to come and tell you what you seen what happened last week.
What happened last week, right?
Boy, I telling you, I pull up in a party and meet a girl called Khadija. She tell me she can give me she number a call and she boy voice me like that. What you feel I should do with that girl, boy?
Boy, I don't really know, huh? Boy, if the play for slips, just leave it alone. If the play for games, just leave it alone. Leave the number alone, don't call back that phone.
Boy, the girl was so sweet, I can't leave she alone. She calling me down right now. What to do, boy? Answer the phone or deny the call. What to do, boy, side?
When answer she nasty, what she have to say. If she playing some games, she's a leave she alone. She's a leave out she place, she's a go punch the phone. She's a see what going on, what she like right now.
But you know, I carry she on a date once or twice. Let me tell you about what the girl doing. She always on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook. Let me tell you about the girl. Oh God, she like that phone now. Wish it out she phone. Always in she hand and always in BBM. Don't talk about WhatsApp. Always on status. Oh yeah, can't take it no more. Let me tell you what we will do. TT sister, link your munchie. Let me tell you about Kirisha. That girl is sweet. She's a red, but don't study when people tell you red meat not good.
But we go see this in now, run up. We go see this in now. When link the number, we just see about that. Just link the number, we go see about that. But what going on with Khadija right now? She playing for games or she leaving you alone? Right now, she just always on that phone. When leave she alone and don't call back she phone.
So what you trying to tell me? Leave Khadija alone, link up with the sister. Let me know now. Tell me what to do. Boy, I fed up at Khadija. Boy, I don't know what to do.
When she like how you was trying to treat she sister, just leave she alone, don't call back she phone.
Purchase your tracks
Don't call
today.
back she phone.
But you know I feel like I'm going to do?
What going on?
Yeah, I got the two of them alone now, but you know why? You see red girl is trouble. My father always tell me, don't marry the red girl, cause them is trouble. They're just like a red dollar, can't change at all. Everything they want for now. Let me tell you, I is not a rich man now, working MTS, but I'm not a rich man. Let me tell you about them girl called Red Woman, yo. Listen, this is how we trying to sing right now. We trying to talking song.
Easy music.